Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to generate image here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Generating an image in Canva is simple, but it involves a few key steps. Canva offers a user-friendly platform for designing a wide range of images, from social media graphics to presentations, posters, and more. Now, once you're logged into your account, you can simply click on the templates if you wanted to start from something. You can choose social media, education, marketing, and print products. But if you wanted to start with a blank canvas, I want you to click on the Create a Design in the upper left corner. In my case, I'm going to be choosing the YouTube thumbnail because apart from recording this video, once I'm done, I'm going to upload alongside with it a YouTube thumbnail in our GPLAPS YouTube channel. Now, there are two ways for you to be able to generate image or images here in Canva. Number one is if you have a certain file, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click the upload section. If you have, just click on the upload files from your computer. If you click on the three dots icon, you have all of these options. You can generate image from Facebook, from your Instagram account, Dropbox, Google Photos, Google Drive. Now, if you click on the Google Drive, what will happen is you need to log in with your Google Drive account. If I click on open, what will happen is I would be forwarded to the section where we're in Google Drive wants to connect with the account. Just click on connect, and there you can generate the images that you have saved to your Google account. Now, similarly, again, to the upload section, you have all of these options, Instagram, Dropbox, and Google Photos and Facebook. Or you can simply upload to your local computer. In my case, I'm going to be using this one. Right? Now, from here, you can add another element from the left side. Click on Photos. You can choose from any of the following. You can use this, right? Make it sure you copy this image until at the very back. You see that? And of course, from there, you would be able to generate images. Another option that you can do is click on the Add a Page, go to the apps, and type in. If you type in Magic Media, you should be able to have like an app for the Magic Media, like this one. Now, Magic Media is very simple. All you have to do is to describe what you would like to create. Now, in my case, say for example, I want to type in a question like this one: how to generate image in Canva. Okay. Now, you can use one of the 50 credits available if you are using the free plan, because if you want to utilize and unlock the full potential of Magic Media, you need to subscribe to the Canva Pro. All right. Now, I want you to type in that and click on Generate Image. Wait for it to load. It'll take a little time, depending on the complexity of the image you wanted to generate here in Canva. Right. So the more complex, the more time it'll produce an image. So these are some of the images, all right, that has been generated. Now, some rules apply when using these images. If you wanted to know more about it, click on Learn More, and you would be forwarded on the AI product terms. Okay? Now, going back again to the image generator. Now, if you want to generate again and test the water, say for example, Halloween, click the Generate Again option. Wait for it to load. We will see what will happen. As you can see, these are some of the options that you can use for the Halloween that has been generated. All right, because Canva is designed for beginners and professionals alike, offering a lot of templates and drag and drop functionality to create a polished designs quickly. So the Magic Media that you can generate images from text is one of the best thing that's happened here in Canva. Now, I'm going to resize all of them so they fit within the canvas. All right. Now, when you go to the app again section here, there should be an option that says text to you see that the AI image gen. If you click this, you see you can generate images using AI. All right. You can create stunning, unique images with just a simple message using the power of AI. All right. When you open this app, let's see what will happen. Again, let's try to click on create to see what's the difference about the Magic Media earlier. All right. Whether you're making business cards, presentations, or social media posts, Canva has thousands of pre-designed images that looks professional. Right here. Say for example, Halloween. Create. Let's wait for it. Now, this is going to be some of the images that has been created. And after doing so, I want you to click on the background so we can choose from here. Let's type in Halloween and put it in our Canva design. Now, once it's loaded, as you can see, it makes it easy to collaborate with your colleagues or team members by allowing you to share your design here. Share. Click on the public link. You have all of these options. Collaboration link with anyone or only you can access. All right. Now, if you wanted to save with this feature, you can click on the share again and click on the download option. You can choose for PNG, JPEG, PDF standard, and PDF print. You can also use the SVG, which is best for web design and animations, or MP4 video if you are working with a presentation. GIF is also an option. Because as you can see, if you need to create more similar images, again, you have the option to use the AI Gen or the Magic Media, allowing you to duplicate designs and make adjustments, saving you time when creating multiple versions. For example, this is going to be for different products. Although the Canva that I'm using offers a free version, again, you can use the apps here. The AI image will allow you to get some premium images, templates, and ability to resize for different formats, which can be highly beneficial for businesses. While the Magic Media earlier requires a credit, if you use the 50 credits, and then you need to upgrade to the Canva Pro. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.